Welcome this video title Create a Lush Paradise, the art of tropical gardening, design and landscape. Introducing tropical gardening have an enhanced allure that transportation us to distant exotic paradise. The vibrant color, lush foliage, and the symphony of nature create a have that beckon, relax, and rejuvenation, design, and landscape. A tropical gardening is an art that blend aesthetic with functional, allowing you to bring a price of the tropical into your own outdoor space. We will explore the key elements and principles to tropical gardening, design, and landscape. Guess you own a January to create your own lush paradise. Climax considering before going into the design paradise, its cabin to understand the climax of your yes tropical plants thrive in warm humid condition with consistent rainfall. However, if you are living in a temperate climate, you can set element the tropical feel by select plant that can advance or by incorporating theme into constraints that can be moved indoor drawing lush foliage. One of the different form of tropical gardening is a embracing of lush growing falling choose plant with long bold leaf to create a intimate and luxury atmosphere. Plants bring are excellent choice for art that affect max various textile shade of garnish to add and various material to your garnish. Statement plant placement. Careful plants the layout of your plants to create a natural fall and harmonious that plants such as to and bloom can be placed to provide shape and create central area.